संदेश खाली में बीजेपी ने एक सोची समझी साजिश की, षड्यंत्र रचा ताकि ये झूठे रेप के बयान आए। संदेश खाली में रेप्स हुए नहीं हैं, बलात्कार नहीं हुए हैं, ये सब झूठे हैं। महिला अब बोल रही है।
In a major twist to the Sandesh Khali pandemonium, a woman has claimed that she was duped into signing on a blank paper over a different issue but was oblivious to the fact that it was meant for allegations of rape. Diganta Guha reports. According to NDTV, she said that some National Commission for Women Representatives were at Sandesh Khali and a woman called Piyali asked them to complain to her. I told them that we had not received money as part of the 100 days job scheme. I only wanted that money and had no other complaint. No rape happened. Piyali made us sign on a blank sheet. The woman was quoted. The woman said that she later came to know that Piyali was one of the women who had cried foul of rape. The woman's kin charged Piyali of denigrating Sandesh Khali. She is an outsider. She has come from somewhere else and talks big. We don't know how she has information about everyone here. Initially, she would just take part in the protests here. We later came to know she is with the BJP. She should be punished for lying to us and trapping us. I am sure more people were deceived like this, they said. The woman added that they are being constantly threatened for spilling the beans. The latest revelation has given a spring in the foot to the TMC, which was in a cobweb of controversies after the allegations against the arrest of its strongman Sheikh Shah Jahan over alleged attack on ED officials and charges of sexual assault. TMC Rajya Sabha member Sagarika Ghosh has demanded strong action against BJP MLA Suvendu Adhikari, who she said is the mastermind behind these fabricated accusations, and also a thorough probe against all others and should be given severe punishment if they are found guilty. We are demanding investigation against Suvendu Adhikari because he is the mastermind behind the Sandesh Khali incident. Other BJP leaders who were seen in video should be detained, questioned and arrested if they are found guilty. She was quoted by news agency PTI. Earlier, a video purportedly alleging Suvendu behind the false rape charges went viral. But it's high time that the truth came out at the earliest, because this certainly doesn't show the state in a good stead. The question is, how can politicians stoop so low? If at all there is any truth to what these women are saying, who has the answer? Will the women, if at all they have been assaulted, will get justice? It's essential they should. But when? A source says that the Sandesh Khali episode has put both BJP and TMC in a soup. West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee has been taking the BJP for breaking all barriers to show the state in poor light, and BJP on the other hand is passing the buck to TMC. We never knew that to garner votes, such dirty games can be played by our elected lawmakers. Overall, a lot is at stake.